Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you a little bit of the nature reserve St. Cyrus, and we're going to show you the walk here from the visitor center up all the way to the beach, which is a beautiful beach. We parked over here, and now let's have a look at the visitor center. You can see inside the visitor center a few exhibits. You can learn a bit about the nature and about the fish and the wildlife there. So that's interesting if you're interested in that. And then we are now going to show you the walk to the beach from here. It's a really lovely beach. It was a bit hazy on the day we were there, but it's just really nice, and our little one really enjoyed the sand. And now here you can see a little bit more there. Here you can see bird sightings, wildlife sightings, some details about flowers. And here is some more information, especially good for kids, educational. There's also facilities like toilets here at the visitor center, and from here, from the parking spot to the beach, it's really not far. So it's a really nice walk, so let's go and have a quick look.